Ever wondered how to run some final code right before your Java program ends? That's where Shutdown Hook comes in. So, let's say your app is doing something important and you want to clean up before it exits. Here's how you can add a Shutdown Hook in Java easily. So we start by getting Runtime.getRuntime function or method right here. So you can see on the first line we have written a Runtime.getRuntime and add Shutdown Hook as well. So we then pass it in a new thread that contains the code you want to run when the program shuts down. So in this example, we are simply printing a message. Now, when the user stops the app or the program exists normally, the hook runs automatically. We simulate the program running by sleeping for 2 seconds. After that, the app ends and you will see the shutdown message. It's perfect for cleanup tasks, closing resources, or saving data just before exit. So we can just try it on your console and kill the app with Ctrl+C and watch the hook do its job. So you can just simply run it up. Here you can see on the results as well when the compiler is closing up, it gives us a shutdown hook. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.